Hello, this is HPEDM 3R high-temp pallet. It was compatible of 3R-651E-P. Check it. It was made of high-quality stainless steel. The surface accuracy is very high, up to 2 micron. This also up to 2 micron. Yeah. How to use it? It will need the 3R short or long drawbar to fix on it. Then put it on the 3R track. Yeah. Then to move the right, tight it. Yeah, it's very tight. You just need fix workpiece on the surface directly, and to adjust it for EDM die sinking. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, price is good. Warranty is 1 year. Welcome to inquire. Thank you.